Hello, welcome to this channel. Now, this channel, which used to be a mathematics channel, I'm now converting it to become a physics channel. So from now on, the questions you'll be seeing me solve here are physics questions. So I would like you to also stay tuned, especially if you are a physics student. But if you are not a physics student and you still want to join my other mathematics channel, or even if you are a physics student and you want to join my other mathematics channel, I'll put the link in the description below so that you can join the other maths channel. But from now, this will become a physics channel. So stay tuned and enjoy physics. So the question I have here today says, determine the original unit of pressure. Now, most of us know the unit of pressure as Newton per meter square, which is also called the Pascal. But I want to show you the original unit of the pressure. Now, we will start with the formula for pressure. Pressure P is equal to force over area. Force all over area. So this is the formula for pressure. Now, this can be written as F over A. That is F for force and A for area. Now, let's go straight to the original unit of force. Now, the unit of force is Newton. We all know that, Newton. And the unit of area, we all know, is meter square, since the SI unit of length in physics is the meter. So the unit of area is meter square. Now, this meter square has been broken down to fundamental unit, which is the length. But this Newton is not yet broken down to fundamental unit. So let's derive the original unit of Newton as well. So we can go on and say that the Newton, which is the force now, force from Newton, is equal to mass times acceleration. So this is the formula for force. Mass times acceleration. So from this formula, we can now derive the original unit of force, which is the Newton. So the unit of mass, you agree with me, is kilogram, which is a fundamental unit. And the unit of acceleration is meter per second square. So you can see now this is the original unit of the force. So this is what is called the Newton. So the Newton is kilogram meter per second square. It is now named after Sir Isaac Newton as the unit of force, but this is the original derived unit of force. So from there now, we can take that to this unit for the pressure with the Newton. So we can replace this Newton with this original derived unit. And that will help us to simplify and get the original unit of pressure. Now, let's come back to the Newton that we have there. So I'll continue here with the pressure. So the pressure is the force, which is Newton over meter square. But already know the Newton as kilogram. Now multiply by meter, and then all divided. Don't forget divided by, because this slash here means division. So divided by second square. The seconds is also a fundamental unit for time. And then now this pressure unit is, or formula is saying Newton over meter square. So this meter square is the denominator. So we bring it down as a denominator here so that it can multiply the second square that we already have there. So this meter square down is brought here as well. So we can now simplify further. So this meter here can break down one of the meter here because the meter here is square. So this meter remove one of the meter here because this is 2 meters, meter times meter. So m cancel one of the m here, and then we'll be left with kilogram all over second square per meter. So that becomes the force, the unit of pressure. So I can now write P is equal to, so the pressure is equal to the kilogram divided by the meter, because don't forget this kilogram is up and these two they are down. So I use per, which is division, divided by the meter because we only have one m left, and then also divided by the second square. So this over here means kilogram over meter and the second square. Now, the other conventional way of writing this unit, so that is the unit of pressure now, that is the original unit of pressure now, is kilogram per meter square. So I can take this as -1 because this is under. So if it comes up, because this is like raised to power 1, when it comes up to meet kg, it becomes -1. So similarly, this second square, when it goes up, it becomes -2. So the original unit of the pressure is given as kilogram per meter per second square. And this is what is also called the Newton per meter square, or the Pascal. So this is the original unit of the pressure, and then which is now the Newton per meter square, or the Pascal, as the unit of pressure. Hope you are getting this very interesting fundamental aspect of physics. I try to bring out this fundamental aspect of physics so that we can really see how the dimension of physics are obtained from fundamental quantities. So you can see that all these units are fundamental quantities. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please don't forget that this channel is now a physics channel from now on. So don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel, and share this video so that others can also learn from it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.